Hi, I am Jigar Patel, Director of Revomac Industries Private Limited. We are manufacturer and exporter of concrete product machines since 2010. Concrete product machines include fly ash brick making machine, concrete block making machine and paver block making machine. We installed more than 450 plants across the India and exported in different continents of the world like South American countries, African countries and Gulf countries. Our USP is to design the machine based on the latest technology that produces 20 types of concrete products from a single machine. In fact, we provide a turnkey-based solution right from the machine installation, operator training program and up to final outcome. We have completed such a big project in India for IOCL, for L&T and for international airports. So let's build a sustainable infrastructure together. Thank you.